So yes, we got the walker panels. I made a video on the firewall. If it's not uploaded yet, it will soon be. We covered the firewall. It got painted. It's got the AC delete box. I don't know which video will be up first. But anyway, we got the walker panels installed. I'm going to talk a little bit more about fitment. I didn't make a video of installing them because I just wanted to get it done. And they done. The welds is not ground off yet, and they are a little rough towards the back. It did get a little build up on me, but a grinder makes any weld look pretty. We got it spot welded in, and the door fitment is what matters. Everything will body work out. The door fitment is great on it. Come around to this side. I had a pie cut up here because this right here, this panel was pressed wrong. To make it line up with the fenders, yes, I did test fit the fenders. This had to be pie cutted, so always got to be ground down. Door grassed, body worked a little, and the back hit fit perfect. The gap is even all the way down. That's what you want. Inside is nice, and inside the other wheel well is even nicer because, as I said, this driver's side stamp was chef kiss. Passenger side not so much. Looks pretty good. And now, yes, I know the welds is a little bit built up, but it's 035. It's flux core hit a weld down. You know, sometimes they just build up when you're trying to weld a small gap or even a big gap. Chevrolet 5.7 standard shift. Somebody's got good taste in a truck. So walker panels is installed. The paint of installation of walker panels, you can kick them out in a day. I could even body work these, but I had other stuff to do, so I wasn't able to get them in body work. So maybe I can get a full video of us grinding down the welds, dual grassing them, and body working them, because I want to body work the front of the walkers before I even do the rest of the walkers, because I like to get the fenders on it and then body work everything together. But the front is a little bit hard to get to with the fenders on, so I'm going to body work those and then just carry on. When we get the fenders on, get the radiator support on, get the nose piece on, get the hood on, get this car looking like a car again, because it's been quite some time since it has been all one piece. So check the eBay store out in the description below. Always something for sale. It's a little extra support for me. Maybe you want to see what all on the store. Like, comment, that helps too. You don't have to buy something you don't need. And thanks for watching. As I said, making progress. What do you think?